Hello, welcome. My name is Walter. Today we are going to work with fraction lesson 5 and we are going to add the whole number with a fraction. Straight, let's go to question number 1. We are given 3 plus 3 over 4. First, we are going to make the whole number a fraction. So we are going to put it over 1. Then we are going to find the LCM of 1 and 4, which is 4. We are going to take 4 divided by 1 is going to be 4. 4 multiplied by 3, we are going to get 12. So here is 12 plus 4 divided by 4, it is 1. 1 multiplied by 3, we are going to get 3. This will be equal to 12 plus 3, 15 over 4. Then we are going to change 15 over 4 into mixed number, which is going to be 3 over 4. Let's go and do question number 2. The same, we are going to change this whole number into fraction by put it over 1. So it's going to be over 1. Then we are going to find the LCM of 1 and 8, which is going to be 8. We have LCM 8. 8 divided by 1 is 8. 8 multiplied by 4, we get 32. Plus 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 multiplied by 2, we are going to get 2. This is equal to 34 over 8. This is improper fraction, so I'll change it into mixed number, which is going to be 4 whole number, 1 out of 4. Let's do question number 3. I'm going to change the whole number into fraction by put over 1. Then I'm going to find the LCM of 1 and 7, which is going to be 7. The LCM is 7. 7 divided by 1 is 7. 7 multiplied by 5, we are going to get 35. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4. 35 plus 4, we are going to get 39 over 7, which when we change it into a mixed number is going to be 4 over 7. Let's do question number 4. We are going to change this whole number here into fraction by put over 1. Then we are going to find the LCM of 1 and 12, which is going to be 12. 12 divided by 1 is 12. 12 multiplied by 6, we get 72. Plus 12 divided by 12, we get 1. 1 multiplied by 5, it is 5. 72 plus 5, going to get 77 over 12. We are going to change 77 over 12 into a mixed number, which you are going to get 5 over 12. Let's do question number 5. The same, we are going to change the whole number into fraction by putting it over 1. But the second fraction involves the whole number also. So we are going to have the whole number 3 plus the fraction part, which is 3 over 1 plus 5 over 4. This will be equal to the whole number 3 plus LCM of 1 and 4, it is 4. 4 divided by 1 is 4. 4 multiplied by 3, get 12. Add by 4 divided by 4, the answer is going to be 1. 1 multiplied by 5, we are going to get 5. Now we have 3 plus 12 plus 5 over 4. So when we add this fraction, 12 plus 5, we are going to get 17 over 4, which when I change it into mixed number is going to be 1 over 4. So I'll take this mixed number plus this whole number. Going to get 3 plus 1 over 4. 3 plus 4, we are going to get 7. And this fraction here, we have 1 over 4. So the answer is 7, 1 over 4. Let's go and do question number 6, in which we're supposed to find which fraction plus 3, 2 over 7, we are going to get 16, 2 over 7. What we're going to do here, we are going to take the result. What we're going to do, we're going to take the result, 16, 2 over 7, take away 3, 2 over 7 to get the required fraction. So we'll take 16, 2 over 7, take away 3, 2 over 7. This is equal to the whole number, take away whole number, that is going to be 16, take away 3. We are going to remain with 13. Plus the fraction, take away fraction, that is 2 over 7, take away 2 over 7. From which 2 over 7, take away 2 over 7, we are going to get 0. 13 plus 0. So the number that is supposed to be added is 13. Let's finish question number 7, which we have 8, 2 over 9 plus 2. I'll take the whole number plus whole number, that is 8 plus 2. Then I'll add with the fraction, which is 2 over 9. So plus 2 over 9. The whole number 8 plus 2, I'll get 10. And the fraction is 2 over 9. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.